everyone, it's Anna from Cosplay Over 40, and I'm here to let you know that I finally got around to making a video on how to fill out our submissions form. I'm sure a lot of people have questions about whether they're filling it out right, so I downloaded a screen recorder and I did my best with it, but I think the steps I've explained well. So let's check it out. All right, so we are at the submissions form page, which is here, https://form.jotform.com/cosplay-over-40/cosplay-over-40-submission-form. It's a lot easier if you just click on the link in our bio, and that will bring you here to our Cosplay Over 40 submissions form. It's in English. I do believe you can get it in different languages. Yep, you can get it in German, in French, in Portuguese, and in Spanish. But we'll stick for English for this demo. Now, come down. The first thing we want to know is your name, because we are one big happy family, so we like to know our names. But only your first name. Please do not give us your last name, because we are very much into cybersecurity, and there are people out there who will take your first name and your last name and somehow use it against you. There's lots of creeps out there, so please, just your first name. So for me, Anna, there we go. There's just my first name. If you don't want to give us your first name, if you prefer, you can put your cosplay name. So my cosplay name is AMH Cosplays. So either of those are fine. Please do not give us your whole name. Email is next. I have an example here of what we mean. This is just if we need to contact you for something. So I'm putting our email, cosplayover40@gmail.com. Again, we're not publishing this. This is just in case we need to email you and say, hey, no photo is attached, or hey, there's a couple of parts that we're missing, or hey, we don't quite understand this, or whatever reason we need to contact you. This will not be made public ever. Your Instagram handle. Please, 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 please type the @ symbol. I cannot tell you how important this little @ symbol is, because we just take the data as it is sent to us and we copy and we paste it, and then we just do little tiny fixes for spacing, and that is all we do. So it's very important to us to not have to go and fix every single line. So please, 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 @ symbol and your cosplay name. There we go. Okay? Do not give us the link to your Instagram. I don't want a link. I just want @ and your cosplay name. See? Please include the @ symbol. Example, @cosplayover40. So please, just the @ symbol and your cosplay name. That's it. Thanks. Next section. Age. Why do we ask your age? Because at Cosplay Over 40, it's a big deal to us to let everyone know that cosplay does not stop when you turn 40. And it's also reassuring to all of the 40 plus cosplayers out there to see that there are cosplayers who are 50, 60, 70, and yes, we do have 70-year-old cosplayers with us. So please put your age. You have two choices. You can put your actual age. Let's see. You can put your actual age. Or if you don't want to put your actual age, put your age range, 40 plus. Or hey, if you are 70 plus, you can put your age range or your actual age. Whichever you choose. Please do not put over the hill. Yeah, do not put too old to care. No. Please stick to the format. Your age, either as a range or the actual age. So, boop. Okay, there we go. Nope. Mistakes happen. There we go. 40 plus. Your country. I am in the United States. Now, it's up to you whether you want to type out United States, or if you want to put US or USA. Or hey, if you're in Germany, okay. Please do not put 12 Main Street, um, Townsville, Colorado. No, no, no. We just want your country. We like to see where all our cosplayers are. Right now, we've got cosplayers in 6 out of 7 continents, and it's fun to see where we all are. So please put your country down, and if you're abbreviating it, please make sure you use all caps because we do not live in us. We do not live in USA. We live in USA. Okay? Thank you. Or UK. Or UK. No, no, no. Abbreviate properly. Thank you. Cosplay. Please only list the cosplay in the one photo you are submitting. One photo, one cosplay. Your cosplay in that photo. We get a lot of people who put down every single cosplay they own. No, no. Just the cosplay in the one photo you are submitting. Hey, I'm dressed as Future Bulma, so I will put down Future Bulma. Okay? That's it. Cosplay source. Do not put, I bought it at Pro Cosplay. No, no, no. That's not what I'm going for. Do not say it was a Christmas gift. No, no. We don't want that either. We want to know where your cosplay's from. What show, what anime, what game, what movie, where is it from? So this is from Dragon Ball Z. So that's what I mean by cosplay source. Next, you're a photographer. Well, since Jay is a photographer, we are very much into giving the photographer credit for your photo. We would love to credit your editor and your makeup artist and the person who created your cosplay for you and the person who did your hair. But if we did that, we would run out of room. So please feel free to add those in the comments, but we are only featuring the photographer. So please, if your photographer has an Instagram, please put their Instagram. For example, let's see, Forest Edge Photography. There we go. Spell it correctly. Because otherwise we will not be able to find them and tag them, and you will get a message from us saying, can you please check that we've got the right Instagram? If they don't have an Instagram, just put their business name. Forest. Yeah, there we go. Forest Edge Photography. My excuse is that I have circle cleanses in right now and I can't see too well. My excuse. All right. Put their professional name. Don't just say Joe. Yeah, no. Their professional name if they don't have an Instagram. If you took the picture yourself, for example, I just shot my own shots. Self. That's it. That's all we want. That is our guideline. That is our style guide. Please do not put me. No, no, no. Please do not do myself, which is close. No, we want self. That's it. If it is someone that you know, my spouse, my kid, my brother, my dad, my neighbor, that's all we want. We don't want to hear my brother's girlfriend with her iPhone on portrait mode. Yeah, no. Well, you get the idea. We don't want that. We just want my friend. There we go. If you don't know who it was, if it was taken at a con and you don't know who it was, unknown also works. And this isn't self. Why I cosplay. Oh, incidentally, there are instructions. Uh-oh. There we go. Whoops. There are instructions underneath each box, so please do read the instructions. Why I cosplay. Required if you're new to us. It's optional if you're returning, but we always love to see why you cosplay because it does inspire other cosplayers. Really, it does. I've heard so. I've gotten messages about this. So please do feel free of why you cosplay. It can be for charity. Yay! Great. It can be, it helps me with my anxiety. Okay, that's great too. My husband made me. Whatever the reason that you cosplay, please share it. For example, for me, I love the challenge of creating or thrifting my characters' outfits and being as canon as possible. So that's why I cosplay. Well, one of many, many, many reasons. Anyway, why I cosplay. Cosplans. Not what your cosplays are. I did not misspell cosplays. Cosplans. Your cosplay plans. Yes. So, what plans do you have? If you have none at the moment, just say none at the moment. If you have plans coming up but don't want to share them, I'm working on a few secret cosplays. If you are upgrading your armor or just improving what you have, I am always working on improving my current cosplays. That works too. If you actually have some plans that you're willing to share, then feel free to share them. For example, let's pick something off of my board. I plan on altering my Batgirl cosplay and dyeing my 80s Poison Ivy sweatshirt and leg warmers. There you go. Cosplans. I mean, they don't have to be that specific. For example, you can put who you're planning on cosplaying. So who am I planning on cosplaying? Let's see. Vina from Star Trek. Classic Batgirl. And who else am I? Carhop Bulma. There we go. So those are my cosplans. Upload your cosplay photo. Please. One photo only. Please, only one photo. We have limited drive space for this form. Otherwise, we have to pay a lot of money. And we don't get any money for doing what we do. So please, one photo only, and make sure that it is according to our guidelines. If you don't know what our guidelines are, you will find them in the Be Featured section on our page. So, in a nutshell, only you in the photo, unless we happen to know that you are a married couple or a couple that has been featured with us before. Only you in the photo. If it is at a con, no visible faces, or else we will have to go and blur them out. We do not publish anyone without their permission. Big thing for us. No boudoir or sexual type cosplays. It's all well and good if you want to share that on your page. More power to you. Not on Cosplay Over 40. No big text announcing who your character is or some big saying. No, this is a photo. We don't want a big gigantic bunch of text on your photo. Just you. No minor children. Sorry. Again, we do have a Family Friday feature in our story, and you're more than welcome to submit pictures of you and your kids cosplaying for that. In fact, please do, because we have run out. Again, so there we go. No boudoir, no sexy, no nudity, only you or known couples to us. No text. I know I am missing something, but hey, it's all in that section and Be Featured. So, one picture, make sure it is under 10 milligrams. Yes, make sure your photos are under 10 milligrams. Wig's too tight. Under 10 MB, please. Once you have checked to make sure everything is all groovy, click submit and listen, because you will hear my phone going. Here's my phone. Phone. There we go. Phone, and it's going to go ding to show me that your submission just arrived. Please wait. Thank you. And hey, I just got a submission from our submission form, and you will have also gotten a confirmation in yours. And that is how you fill out our submission form. Thank you very much for doing this. Years ago, we just did it via DM, but it's impossible with more than 500 cosplayers submitting photos and growing. This is the way we keep our sanity, and we keep everyone for having, everyone gets the same amount of coverage. So thank you very much. If you have any questions about this, please comments or DM us. Thanks very much.